Hey guys, I wanted to give a brief overview of our discussion boards that we'll be having in class. So all of our discussions will be a 1+3, which means that you'll have one initial post and then you'll have 3 replies to classmates for that post. And for your replies, you're going to reply to classmates with questions or responses. What we want to try to avoid in those responses is something like cool, because that doesn't really add to the conversation. So you want to make sure that what you're adding continues the conversation just like it would in the classroom. So how do we do this? To make an initial post, you're going to start a new thread. You're going to put a subject on it, and then you're going to type out your response. You can add images, you can add links. Okay, so you can add almost anything in the discussions, and then you're going to click Save. If I want to reply to a classmate, then I go down and I click on their subject. And then I can reply here, and then I'm done. So that's how you do a discussion. And I want to have really great conversations during this course. So let's have fun in the discussion area, and as always, be respectful to your classmates. Thanks, guys.